push her.
Put your hands behind your back.
Push a female though.
Put your hands behind your back. Back up.
You just push a female.
You got his.
Okay, just relax.
Back up.
That's not cool, bro.
You're gonna get tased.
The 8th of March, 2025, Illinois. A no-headlights traffic stop becomes a brawl, a taser deployment, 2 arrests, and a passenger charged with a Class 2 felony. 5 legal issues: the lawfulness of the stop and pursuit, taser proportionality, how a passenger becomes a felony defendant, the racial discrimination claim, and what the officer said in the car afterward. The traffic stop was lawful. Driving without headlights is an observed traffic violation, providing both the reasonable suspicion and probable cause required under Delaware v. Prouse. 1979. The driver's decision to floor it and drive home rather than pull over triggered the hot pursuit doctrine. Under United States v. Santana. 1976. Officers may continue pursuing a fleeing suspect from public property onto private property when the pursuit began in public. A residential driveway is not a constitutional sanctuary from an arrest predicated on an observed public violation.
Stay in the car.
Stay in the car for what? What did I do?
Because I'm stopping you.
Stop me for what?
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Hold on real quick.
Put your hands behind your... Dude.
Hold on.
No. Put your hands behind your back.
Do this to me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, what are you doing?
Cover, step it up.
Thank you.
Put your hands behind your back.
What are you
Dude, you're resisting.
What are you putting my hands behind my head?
That's fine. Record all you want. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Okay, we are at our house. What is the problem?
Put your hands behind your
Here,
back.
I got. Give me the phone.
Put your hands.
Get back. Give me the phone.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Why are you arresting him?
I will explain everything
No.
in a second.
You have to tell why you are
Back up.
arresting
Back
him.
up.
Do not push me. Why are you
You're gonna
arresting
get
him?
arrested too then.
No, I'm not getting arrested because you guys have no reason to arrest him.
Back up.
No.
You're gonna get tased, dude.
Okay,
Put your hands behind your back.
You just pushed her.
Put your hands
Why
behind
did
your
you
back.
just push a female though?
Put
You
your
just
hands
pushed a
Back
female.
behind
up.
your back.
Relax.
Back up.
No, you just pushed a female.
You got his.
Relax.
That is not
Okay,
cool,
just
though.
relax.
Back
Everybody.
up.
That's not cool, bro.
You're gonna get tased.
Here, take me then.
Stop. I want to fight one.
I just pushed a girl. No, y'all just pushed a female.
Back up. Taser. Put your hands behind back.
What are you doing?
Put your hands behind back.
What the fuck are you doing?
Back up.
No.
Back up.
What the
Put
fuck
your hands
are you
behind back.
doing?
Get it
What
again.
are you doing?
Serious right now?
No.
Are you
Because
serious right
he's
now?
black. Because he's black.
Hands behind your back.
Because he's black.
47 taser
Get off
deployed.
of him.
Back up.
Get off of him.
Serious right
Get
now?
off of
Are
him.
you serious right
Get
now?
off of him.
One
Are you
tase.
serious
Get
right
off of
now?
him. Get off of him. Because he's
Are you
black.
serious right now?
This is our house. This is our house.
Are you serious
Get
right
off
now?
of him.
Back up.
Get off of him. I'm
you
recording
serious
you
right
guys.
now?
No.
For what?
Get off of him.
For what though?
Get off of him. We
what,
live
though?
here.
You have
We
nothing on
live
me.
here.
Like, are you serious right now though?
Bro, we live here.
Stand up.
Are you serious right now?
Stand
We
up.
live
For
here.
what though?
Okay, so what are you talking about? What? I am recording that.
Are you serious
For
right now?
what?
For what? You act like I raised my hand at you, bro. Are you serious right now?
These men, both of these men. Hold on, McCarty. No, McCarty, get off of me.
Oh my, why are you touching her like that? Why are you touching her like that? Why are you touching her like that? I need an ambulance. I need an ambulance right now.
Stand up.
I need an ambulance right now. I
Stop.
need an ambulance, like I said. I need an ambulance right now.
An ambulance is coming,
I need
man.
an ambulance. I just said it. So why you grabbing me and pushing me like that? Why you grabbing me and pushing me? I've been said I need an ambulance.
Up.
No, it ain't no sit up. You stopped me. I don't need to sit up when you did that to me.
A Aaliyah! Aaliyah!
50 to location.
The taser deployment against the driver is analyzed under Graham versus Connor, 1989. 3 factors govern: severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. The driver had fled police, refused to comply with multiple commands, and was actively brawling with officers at the moment of deployment. 2 verbal warnings "you're gonna get tased" were issued before the taser fired. Multiple verbal warnings before less lethal deployment satisfy the National Consensus Policy on Use of Force's procedural requirement. All 3 Graham factors support the deployment. The force was proportionate. The passenger's legal situation is the most significant in this footage. Her physical intervention charging officers, physically engaging and kicking, satisfies every element of aggravated battery on a peace officer under 720 ILCS 512-9.1. Knowingly causing bodily harm to a uniformed officer performing authorized duties. This is a Class 2 felony in Illinois. She was a passenger in a traffic stop. She is now a felony defendant. That transformation occurred entirely through her own physical conduct during a period of approximately 90 seconds. Her claim that she was slamming into the concrete during the altercation triggers a self-defense analysis under 720 ILCS 5-7-1. Illinois law permits force when a person reasonably believes it necessary to prevent imminent unlawful force against themselves. The viability of this defense depends entirely on chronological sequence. Did she initiate physical contact, or did she respond to force being applied to her? The footage is ambiguous on this point. That ambiguity is what her defense attorney will argue at the suppression hearing and at trial. The racial discrimination claim because he's black is legally real and legally demanding to prove. Under Whren v. United States, 1996, the Supreme Court held that an objectively valid traffic stop does not violate the Fourth Amendment, regardless of any discriminatory subjective motive. The no headlights violation provides an objectively valid basis. To succeed on a selective enforcement claim under United States v. Armstrong 1996, a defendant must demonstrate that similarly situated non-black individuals were not stopped under comparable circumstances. That factual predicate is not established from this footage alone. The claim is viable in theory. It requires evidence to succeed. The officer's profanity toward the passenger during transport creates 2 legal concerns. First, under Monell v. Department of Social Services, 1978, if this verbal conduct reflects departmental custom rather than isolated behavior, the municipality bears Section 1983 liability exposure. Second, the statements are on permanent body camera record. They will appear in any civil rights complaint filed by the passenger and will be cited as evidence of the officer's attitude toward her at the time of her arrest and detention. The First Amendment permits this speech. It does not protect the officer from its professional and civil consequences.
Get off
You never served me wrong.
Under arrest. No, I am not. For what?
Stop.
Under arrest.
Get on the ground.
For what?
Are you serious right now? Are you serious slamming her like that? Yes. Are you serious slamming her like that?
Yes. She's not gonna comply. She's gonna get slammed. Absolutely.
Aaliyah!
Are you seriously slamming her like that for what reason?
Aaliyah!
Give me like that.
Aaliyah!
Are you seriously slamming a female like that?
Stop. Stop. You keep kicking me?
Ow!
What?
Aaliyah! I have a...
Stop.
Get the fuck up!
Stop.
What are y'all doing?
Keep walking. You're under arrest.
For what? For being at my house?
Resisting arrest.
For what? Why was I resisting arrest?
Peace officer.
52
For
second in
what?
custody. Slow down. Slow down.
Why the fuck? I was just at my fucking house.
Ready?
Yeah, I was.
Well, now you're gonna go to jail.
Okay, cool. Fucking stupid fucking four-eyed bitch.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah. Yeah, go fuck off. Exactly why you're probably fucking single, bitch. If I wouldn't get a charge, I would literally beat the fuck out of you.
Okay. Can you
He just smashed my face into the fucking concrete. That's a fucking.
You're not complying. You're not
No,
complying.
that was not it.
You got a light
I
switch?
swear to God, that was not it. You guys can expect a fucking lawsuit. I swear to God. They smacked my fucking cheek into the fucking cement.
You were told multiple times to start resisting.
But you guys can expect a lawsuit. Cool, take me to jail. You can expect a lawsuit.
Okay. How many more people are there?
There's
another male is interested.
Yeah, you guys, what? We're at our house and you just pulled up to arrest us? Like, I don't understand the fucking problem. Are you the sergeant?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't understand the problem. We were pulled up to our house. Okay, me too. They smashed my face into the fucking concrete, and we live here. I don't understand what the fucking problem is.
I don't either.
Okay, so what is it? They followed us in here and now they're arresting everybody. Like, we literally live here.
There we go. Stop.
Okay, can you leave me until the rescue comes, please?
Okay,
Like,
then lay him to the side.
too much right now, bro.
Lay down.
Come on, man.
Lay down. I'm gonna search you.
Alright, come on. Alright, stop. Pull out my.
Stop. Stop.
I'm
Stop
pulling out my
reaching. Stop.
pants.
I don't care right now.
My ass is out.
I don't
bro.
care.
Like, what are you talking about?
I gotta make sure you don't have anything,
I
man.
don't have nothing on me.
All right.
Can I pull my pants up?
All right. Hold up.
Can you just
Stop.
pull my?
Okay.
Can you pull my pants up?
Stop reaching.
My whole ass is out.
I don't care. Stop.
Bro, this
Stop.
is not. This is
Why?
not,
I'm
this is
trying to
not-
search you.
Okay.
Stop moving around.
Why are you doing this to me?
Because
man?
I'm
Like,
trying to
this is
search
not
and you keep
cool.
moving. Gotta make sure you don't have anything when
I don't
paramedics show
have-
up.
he
I'm not gonna trust your word. You think I trust your word?
You text me multiple times, bro.
I just asked. He said no, he didn't.
Yes, okay.
There you go. That's all I gotta do.
Okay, but I'm saying my whole ass is out. Like, come on, man.
This is your style. That's how you write your pants. They don't even go up.
I've never wear my pants. I'm 38 years old. I'm not fucking wearing my pants like this.
All right, there
I
you
don't
go.
wear my pants like this. Like, what are you talking about? Never wear my pants like this. I'm not no gangbanger or nothing. You can check
Yeah, you fought.
my record.
Yeah, you obstructed.
I did not obstruct nothing.
Hey, I have hair in my eyes. Fuck up hair in my fucking eyes. Like, what the fuck? How did this even? Because I live here? Like, that's fucking crazy.
What's your name?
Maria Lara.
Maria, do you want to be seen by the ambulance? Do you want to be seen by rescue?
Yes.
If not, down at the jail, they can clean you up. It's up to you. You want to be seen by rescue?
Is that at the jail?
At the jail, we have nursing staff. Where they
So
can,
the ambulance is here?
yes, would you like to
And
speak
I
to
can
them?
see them?
Yes.
I mean, I can feel like dripping falling off my face.
Yeah, your face is cut on the cheek.
Yeah, okay. For
Okay.
absolutely no good reason.
Well, you're under arrest.
No,
And then
I
you're
mean,
resisting.
okay, that's fine. So that means you smashed people's face in the concrete?
When you resist arrest,
I did not resist arrest. I was asking to why.
That's your word against ours, then, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Do you want them to see you?
Yes,
or no?
I do.
Okay, I'll have them come see you. Okay.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
Miss, what do you?
Hi. Oh, no. Yeah, sorry. I was trying. What is going on? I just want to be informed of what is going
You're
on.
under arrest, but you said you want to go to the hospital, right?
Okay, yeah.
So you're gonna go to
So,
the hospital. After the hospital, you're gonna go to jail.
okay, well, for what, though?
I've already told you.
I don't understand for what, though.
Resisting
didn't-
arrest.
For what? For I was a passenger and everything.
Okay. Resisting arrest. Obstruction.
Obstruction of what?
We'll talk about it later. And then you kicked me. You remember kicking me?
No.
Oh.
I mean, if I remember, it was because people were slamming me into the concrete. Okay, okay, I don't need to go to the hospital. If you guys are really taking it, like,
So you don't
listen
wanna go
to
the
me.
hospital anymore? No.
Okay, if I'm just going straight to jail, that's fine. I need to make sure you guys arrested me at my house.
Yes, we did. Right there in the driveway.
Yes. Okay, so
Who's the male you were with?
my husband.
Okay. All right, you ready to go to jail now?
Okay, cool.
All right, I'm gonna buckle your seatbelt. All right.
Yeah, fuck you, bitch. That's why your wife left you, bitch. You know all they're gonna do is write me a ticket and let me out, right? Okay, cool.
Did you know kicking
You're still a fucking bitch, right?
You know, kicking a peace officer?
You're still a bitch. You know that, right?
A peace officer is a felony?
Okay.
Okay. Well,
Have a great time. You're a bitch.
all right.
You're still a bitch.
So you're refusing transport and assessment at this time?
I refuse to talk to you guys.
There's a nurse down there. Is this your phone?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. I'm going to bring it with you to the jail.
Great.
So
Thanks. Stop talking to me.
All right.
Stop talking to me.
I do need to know who you are. Can I get your name?
Well, you figure it out. Have fun.
You're not going to tell us who you are?
Well, you already know, right?
No. What's your last name? Spell it.
L-A-R-A.
L-A-R-A. First name?
Maria.
M-A-R-I-A. Do you have a middle initial? F. And what's your birthday?
Do you think we're almost there? I just really have to pee.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you, miss.
Are we almost to the jail? I really have to pee.
Yes, we're almost there.
Okay, thank you. I really have to use the bathroom.
Alright, let's go. Want your stuff? This way.
The lead officer receives a B. The traffic stop was lawful, the hot pursuit was doctrinally correct, and the taser deployment was preceded by verbal warnings and supported by all 3 Graham factors. The B reflects 3 failures. Inadequate control of the passenger. Before the driver's arrest began, the foreseeable physical intervention was preventable. The in-car verbal conduct that created documented liability exposure. And the absence of Miranda advisement on camera for either subject following arrest. The driver receives a D. A no-headlight stop is among the least severe possible police interactions. His decision to flee converted a likely citation into a criminal arrest. His physical resistance required taser deployment and resulted in charges for resisting, obstruction, and aggravated speeding. His conduct directly created the chaotic scene, in which his partner intervened, and the felony charge she now faces is the direct consequence of his decisions, not hers. The passenger receives a C-. Her emotional response to her partner's arrest was understandable. The legal consequence of acting on it was a Class 2 felony. Her self-defense argument has genuine factual basis in the chronological ambiguity of the footage. Her racial discrimination claim identifies a legally recognized framework. Neither argument eliminates the battery charge at the arrest stage. Both require independent factual development that this footage alone cannot provide. 3 lessons. First, the hot pursuit doctrine means a driver cannot outrun a traffic stop by making it home. The moment police initiate pursuit on a public road, the private driveway offers no legal protection. Driving home instead of pulling over converts a civil infraction into a criminal arrest and invites officers to follow you directly into your residence. Second, a passenger who physically intervenes in a driver's arrest faces independent criminal liability for every physical contact with a uniformed officer. The charge of aggravated battery on a peace officer does not require injuring the officer. It requires knowing physical contact while the officer is performing authorized duties. Witnessing an arrest that appears unjust does not create a legal right to use physical force to stop it. The appropriate response is documentation, witness statements, and an attorney. Third, everything said in a patrol car is on permanent body camera record. That applies equally to officers and subjects. The passenger's verbal conduct toward the officer during transport is protected speech under City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. The officer's verbal conduct toward the passenger is also on record and will appear in any civil proceeding she initiates. Body cameras are neutral recorders. They do not favor either side. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.